Let's say you hypothetically told your boss you were so sick you couldn't even open an eyelid, when in reality you took the day off to play Marvel Rivals. How would you hypothetically hide your alleged activity? And yes, even your boss plays Rivals. First, you would subscribe to the channel for safety reasons. Next, you want to go to the gear icon on the top right of the screen, then choose Settings. From there, you want to go to the social section, and here you have options to hide a ton of things, like your stats and history. You can opt to not allow spectating. The options are decent, but still leave one glaring problem. Steam is going to show that you are playing Marvel Rivals. So, you want to just click on your avatar in Steam, and on the status tab, just set that to invisible. There you go. I hope that helps with your nefarious alleged deeds, and I'll see you in the next one.